Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Okay, today discuss about the topic is problems. Okay, these are problems is very important for CBSE and NEET level. CBSE and NEET level students. Okay, the first problem discuss: if a bullet of mass 5 gram moving with velocity 100 meter per second penetrates the wooden block up to 6 centimeter. Penetrates the wooden block up to 6 centimeter. After that, the bullet will be stopped. Then the average force imposed by the bullet on the block is. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, this is a very important problem. For example, first draw the one so diagrammatically. Okay, bullet of mass 5 gram bullet. Okay, 5 gram bullet. So moving with speed 100 meter per second. 100 meter per second. It penetrates the wooden block. This is the wooden block. It penetrates up to 6 centimeter, then it will be stopped. That is the V is equal to 0. V is equal to 0 meter per second. Okay, first write the given data. Mass is equal to 5 gram. Okay, 5 gram. So to convert to kg, 5 into 10 power minus 3 kg. First velocity is the initial velocity, u is equal to 100 meter per second. 100 meter per second. Then final velocity v is equal to 0 meter per second. 0 meter per second. Okay, the find out the average force imposed by the bullet. Okay, force find out, students. Okay, force find out. So what are the what are the parameters to find out the force? Mass into acceleration. Okay, mass is there, 5 into 10 power minus 3 kg, and acceleration. So how to find out acceleration? Okay, displacement is there, 6 centimeter. Displacement as is equal to 6 centimeter. That is equal to 0.06 meter. 0.06 meter. Okay, by using kinematics third equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, in this one, v is the 0 minus 100 whole square is equal to 2 into a into 0.06. Okay. Okay, 100 into 100 minus 100 into 100 sub by 2 into 0.06 is equal to a. Okay, acceleration is equal to minus 100 into 100 by 2 into 0.06. Okay, that is equal to a is equal to, that is the retardation. So 1 into, okay, 1 into 10 power 6 by 12 meter per second square. Okay, then the average force imposed by the bullet. Okay, already discussed in the previous sessions. Okay, 3 conditions is there. 3 conditions. What are the conditions? Final velocity less than initial velocity. Then acceleration is equal to negative. Acceleration is negative. Final velocity greater than initial velocity. Acceleration will be positive. Okay, final velocity is equal to initial velocity, then acceleration is equal to 0. Okay, in this problem the first condition is applicable. Final velocity less than initial velocity, then acceleration is equal to negative, that is the retardation. Okay, the retardation of force, the force F is equal to m into A. Here m is the 5 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 into 10 power 6 by 12, that is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 into 10 power 6 by 12, that is equal to, simply say that 417 Newton. 417 Newton. This is the problem. Okay, this is a very important problem for CBSE and NEET level. Very simple. If a bullet of mass 5 gram, okay, in this one penetrates the bullet block up to 6 centimeter. The bullet is a penetration, the passing through the block up to 6 centimeter. After that, the bullet will be stopped. The bullet will be stopped means the final velocity will be 0. Final velocity will be 0. The starting that initial velocity, final velocity is there. Then find out easy acceleration. Okay, in this one, up to 6 centimeter. Up to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is the distance. Okay. By using kinematics third equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, then find out acceleration A is equal to 1 into 10 power 6 by 12. By using Newton's second law, the force is imposed the bullet on block. On the block is Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. F is equal to m value 5 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 into 10 power 6 by 12. Okay, division and cancellations, and then value 417 Newton. This is very important for NEET and CBSE. Okay, second and third problem. Okay, these two problems are very important for CBSE and NEET level. Okay, first second problem. A force of 100 dynes acts on a mass of 5 gram for 10 seconds. The velocity produced is. The velocity produced is. Velocity produced is. Okay. In this, in any physics problem, first to that show the units. First to see the units. See the units. Next to find out the values. First one is a force of 100 dyne. Okay, dyne is the CGS unit of force. Okay, acts on mass of 5 gram. Okay, gram is the CGS unit of mass for 10 seconds. Second, the time is all the system, 4 systems is equal, time is equal second. The velocity produced. Okay, then easily find out velocity in CGS system. Okay, first to write the data. So any problem, first to check the units. Okay, dyne is the CGS unit of force and gram is the CGS unit of mass. Second is the CGS and MKS also, SI also. Okay, any system second is the common. Then velocity produced, velocity find out. Okay, first to F is equal to 100 dyne. 100 dynes. 100 dyne. Acts on a mass of 5 gram. Mass of 5 gram. Mass of 5 gram. Mass is equal to 5 gram for 10 seconds. T is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, first to acceleration find out. Acceleration is equal to force by mass. This is the formula for Newton's second law. F is equal to ma. Here F is the 100 by mass 5, that is equal to 20 centimeter per second square. 20 centimeter per second square. The above problem, first write the given data. F is equal to 100 dynes, acts on a mass of 5 gram, mass is equal to 5 gram for 10 second, time is equal to 10 second. By using Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, F is there and m value is there, then find out to easily acceleration A is equal to F by m, force by mass. Force is the 100 dynes by 5 grams, 5 ones to 520, 20 centimeter per second square. Then next to the velocity produced is, the velocity produced is, okay, velocity produced, find out, okay, first one is the acceleration formula, find out. The next is by using kinematics first equation. Okay, these two are equal, so no problem. First V is equal to U plus AT. U plus AT. Okay, before coming to motion, the body will be rest position. The body will be rest means 0 plus 20 into T is equal to 10. 20 into 10, 200. 200 centimeter per second. Okay, this is the problem, second problem. So very easy. First to find out acceleration, next to find out velocity. Okay, next third problem. A Diwali rocket is ejecting 0.05 kg of gases per second at a velocity 400 meter per second. The accelerating force on the rocket is, okay, force is find out, students. Okay, in this one already two conditions is there in this change in momentum, that is F is equal to m dv by dt plus v into dm by dt. Okay, by using ejecting 0.05 kg of gases per second. Okay, it's very simple thing. Masses by ejecting of masses of gases per second, dm by dt is equal to 0.05 kg per second. Kg per second. The next velocity u is equal to 400 meter per second. 400 meter per second. The accelerating force on the rocket is, okay, in this one the velocity is constant, then force F is equal to u into dm by dt. Okay, u value 400 into 0.05. Okay, 2 zeros and point is removed. 4 into 5, 4 5s 20. 20 Newton. 20 Newton force is acting on the rocket. Okay, this is the second and the third problem. Once again listen, third problem. A Diwali rocket is ejecting 0.05 kg of gases per second. Okay, just to is moving, firing. The firing for crackers and Diwali crackers. Okay, that rocket is the one of the cracker. Okay, in this rocket, is ejecting of masses of gases per second 0.05 kg per second. dm by dt is equal to 0.05 kg per second. And then the velocity of the rocket u is equal to 400 meter per second. Then find out accelerating force on the rocket, then F is equal to U into dm by dt, 400 into 0.05, that is equal to 20 Newton. This is the second and third problem. Okay, fourth problem. In a rocket of mass 1000 kg, fuel is consumed at a rate of 40 kg per second. The velocity of the gases ejected from the rocket is 5 into 10 power 4 meter per second. The thrust on the rocket is, okay, in this problem, so rocket of mass rocket on the mass rocket 1000 kg fuel is consumed. 1000 kg fuel is consumed at a rate of kg per second, that is the dm by dt is equal to 40 kg per second. 40 kg per second. The velocity of the gases is ejected from the rocket, okay, ejected from the rocket, then V is equal to 5 into 10 power 4 meter per second, 10 power 4 meter per second. Then find out thrust on the rocket. Thrust is the upward force. The force is acted on the rocket. F is equal to U into dm by dt. Okay, third problem also same formula, U into dm by dt. Okay, in this one, okay, take U. The initial velocity is U. Okay, U is the 5 into 10 power 4 meter per second into 40 kg. It's 200 into 10 power 4, that is 2 into 10 power 6 Newton. 2 into 10 power 6 Newton. Okay, this is the problem, fourth problem. It's very important problem for CBSE and NEET level. It's a very important. Okay students, this is the today discuss only 4 problems for CBSE and NEET level. Okay, so tomorrow discuss about next session discuss about NCERT problems, NCERT and mains level problem. Okay, so hope you like this video. Okay, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.